On the night of March 3, 2024, what began as a routine traffic stop for reckless driving would quickly spiral into total chaos. As the officer pulls into the gas station, he has no idea he's about to face a hostile crowd, multiple arrests, and a situation that will push his training to the limit.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Step up. Turn around. Back up.
I ain't doing that.
Back up. Okay, back up.
Bro, what you
Back up.
bro, what you put me in?
Back up, bro. I'm gonna release the dog on you. Get back.
You looking at me?
Bro, what I did?
Stay right here. Detain.
I'm a passenger, sir.
No, sir. You are not.
Yes,
I just
am,
watched
sir.
you switch seats.
So I'm a passenger.
Stay right here.
I ain't did nothing.
Hey, he in the bathroom. You gonna tell him what he do? He ain't tell him what he did. He in the bathroom.
I don't tell you what he did.
Wait over there. You smiling and shit, but he in the
Wait over there. Here we go. Check.
You gonna tell us what he do though?
He'll get to you. Wait over there.
We got that right now.
I'm on the phone.
That's fine. You can go over there. You can go over there.
Wait over there.
The officer detains the man who he just watched swap seats, but the situation is already escalating. The man who fled has drawn the attention of the crowd, and they are quickly turning on the lone officer.
You stay, you go to jail. Let's go. I can smell the weed. You want to do a DUI right now? Back the up. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on. You can
Let's
back
go.
up.
Oh,
Back
you
your
back
ass
up. No,
back your ass
no,
up.
don't put.
Think you is.
Oh, I know who I am.
Yo, fake
Back
ass.
up.
You
Shut
ain't
the
no
fuck up.
I know you.
Come on,
You.
let's go.
You.
Get the car and let's go. Get out of here. Yeah.
You a bitch, bro. Hey, y'all ain't no.
Yeah. Keep talking. Get your new car. Let's go. Get your new car. Let's
Follow
go.
us, bro.
Yeah, get the out of here.
Go.
Get him out of here or I'll take his ass to jail.
You. Get in the car. You think you is. Okay, get in the car. Get in the car.
Yeah.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Fake ass.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Get in the car. That's it. Get in the car. Get in the car. Just get in the car. Go ass off.
Hey, man. Hey, what you doing? Stay back.
Back up.
Hey,
Back
my
up.
sister, man.
Hey, get in the car.
What are you doing? What you doing that for?
I told her to back up. I told her to back up before she goes to
She
jail.
did. Is she going to the car? He touched. Bro, come on,
Everyone's
bro.
up here.
Bro,
We
come on, bro.
gotta bring it down.
Bro, come on, y'all doing that, bro. Come on, bro. You wrong as dog. Step back, look at the rest. Step back, you're the rest. Why you pushing me? Back up.
With backup arriving, the officers attempt to create a perimeter, but the crowd refuses to comply. Their agitation grows, turning the entire gas station into a powder keg waiting for a spark.
The one that left. I didn't hear you. The one that left. Do you need to put the dog down for him? Or we got resistance?
Man, see how you got my sister's titties out of shit?
Let's go.
I'm just saying, but now ain't no let's go.
Get your new car.
No, man, that.
Yeah, get your new
Then
car.
my son, what you gonna do? You
Get
gonna
your new
arrest me
car.
too?
Yeah, you're
What,
gonna
you arrest me too?
Oh, you're gonna go to
Don't
jail.
give a
Oh, yeah, you're gonna go to jail.
Don't give a
Get your car.
You scare me?
Get the
You
car.
scare me?
Car and leave.
So what I'm talking about? Going to jail. Hey, do it. Hey, I want the whole charge, bro. Hey, I need all y'all numbers, bro. I need all y'all badge numbers, bro. I need all y'all badge numbers, bro. Hey, you got a case. You, what's your badge number, bro?
Oh, you're gonna get it.
Bro, you doing too much, bro. Bro, you doing too, and everybody know it. Everybody know it. You doing too much.
That's harassment. Why y'all throw that man?
Get out of here, or we can figure out what's in that cup and you can get an open container charge. Get out of here, you can figure out what's in that cup and get an open container charge.
Yeah. You proud of yourself? Or you proud of yourself? Or you proud of yourself?
The deployment of the taser sends a shockwave through the crowd, but it effectively ends the immediate threat. Officers move in to secure the suspect, who had been repeatedly warned to stand down.
What's your name is, bro? You a whole bitch. You a whole bitch. Come on, bro. Like, bro. Hey, I'm on the cuffs. Wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. I'm on the cuffs. Get the both of y'all bitches. Hey, both of y'all bitches. You a fuck.
Load of them. Doors open, back, side to side, on the roof. All right, here's what it is. This car, passenger that jumped out of the bag was literally hanging out of the window on the car like this. I said, okay. Still hanging out, not getting back in. I know he looked at me. I was like, all right, I'm gonna light him up. Go around, light him up. Slow road all the way into here. Car gets right here, starts jumping. Brakes on, starts jumping, so they switch. Switch seats. He jumps out. The way he jumped out of the car is not in a seated position getting out. Right. He's crawling over, jump out the car with the bag. I started doing a hard ass and went that way. I was by the person. I was like, you know what? I just saw him switch seats, crowded parking lot. Real quick.
Who does not have somebody in their vehicle? You don't. You do.
I have one.
And you do. Start boloing for the two vehicles that left because they're going to be picking up the passenger that was in this.
Yes.
Okay.
That probably has a bag full of dope.
Yep.
What,
Which two vehicles?
The two that were over here.
Yeah. And the one that was over here, the last one with the guy that walked up to the window and was like, "Hey, get out of here! What's in that cup?" That guy jumped out.
Yeah.
They pulled right here and stopped them.
So what car is that they should be looking for?
I don't know. It was a black car just like that.
It was a black car just like this.
There was a dark.
I think Toyota here, right?
If that's probably what it was.
Right,
Yeah,
black
right,
sedan.
the one right there next
Okay.
to it.
Right here.
Yeah.
They're both black. They are.
Yeah, just if they're slow rolling, looking like they're looking for somebody to pick up, that's what we're looking for. Because he took off on foot with a bag full of dope, and they're with him, which means that he's probably on the phone trying to coordinate to get picked up.
what's it wearing?
I'll probably take the back.
In the end, multiple arrests were made. The woman who initiated the physical contact was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer. The man who swapped seats was charged with driving with a suspended license and multiple possession charges. And the man who was tased was charged with resisting without violence. The initial passenger who fled was never located. This was one of the most chaotic situations we've seen, where a simple stop turned into a full-blown confrontation. But what do you think? Did the officers handle the hostile crowd correctly? Was the use of the taser justified, given the circumstances? There are so many moving parts in these encounters, and every decision is critical. We read every single comment, so let us know your thoughts down below. If you appreciate these in-depth breakdowns and want to see more true crime footage, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Your support helps us continue to bring you these incredible stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.